Today, our triplets received their Pēpi packs, and that's pretty special for us because we kind of want to get in touch with our roots and find out where we come from. We don't really know a lot about it at this stage, and it's something we're interested in, especially after having kids.
So what Ngāi Tahu hopes to achieve from these is it's probably baby's first connection with the iwi. If I look at the whānau that we're visiting today, this is actually not just baby's first connection with Ngāi Tahu. This is the father and mother's first connection with Ngāi Tahu. So that's really special.
Sort of a couple of generations of our family kind of lost where our Māori heritage has come from, and it holds a great interest to me. I want to know what happened in the past and part of our history.
This is a tangible way of giving back and getting out to the wider community. One of our initiatives that does that. For me, being able to do those gifts to our newborns and start from there with their connection with the iwi is really precious.
Yeah, Ngāi Tahu putting these together is pretty special because it's going to help people stay in touch with their culture. Maybe some people are a little bit in need, and that's really going to help them out.
We're not the first tribe or people to go with the wahakura concept. My understanding is it first came out of Gisborne. The Nukutiri Weaving Collective were the first to create this concept of the wahakura, and there are others in Christchurch who have been doing it, Māori Women's Welfare League, Ngā Hawewha Marae. It is important to acknowledge others who have actually seeded the idea of the wahakura itself. Probably the difference with ours is the iwi, the content that's going into the wahakura and giving those babies that sense of connection back.